lolly stick, ooh, lolly stick, ooh. Here comes Mr. Fabman, oh, with his speckled brow. Here comes Mr. Fabman, oh, with his inner cream. Ice cream headache in the heart of the sun. Oh, the Magnum Monk. Solero for me and mini milk for Tiny Jim's hand. Oh, the Magnum Monk. 90 pound in your shorts, running for the whippet champs. Ever receding whippet champ times. The ice cream times. Ooh, dripping on your wrist. Okay, good times. All right.
Come on, Howard. You say crimps make it all right. Manchester, let's crimp it up.
You ready for some hot crimp action? All right then. Here we go now. Super tasty soup, super tasty soup, super tasty soup, super tasty carrot and coriander, chili chowder, carrot and coriander, chili chowder, crouton, country friends and liquid rum. I am pistachio, I am the summer soup. Miso, fighting in the dojo. Miso, all in the breeze of the land of soup.
Everybody now. Remember your dance. Feed those chickens, feed the chicken. Rub your chest, rub your tummy, pretty yummy. Where were you last night? Grab those sandwiches, all the sandwiches. Lick the lips and touch those nips.
Hey, yeah! Who is the shaman with the golden wisdom?
Number that's who.
Who is the shaman with the Freddie Mercury moustache?
Number that's who.
Don't cross his path or he'll turn his back on you.
Number that's who.
He once woke up naked in a children's playground. We love the chosen one.
Loving you is so much fun.
We love the chosen one.
Loving you is number one. I love you with all my heart. I love you with my body part.
We love the chosen one.
Everybody shush.
Number that's who. 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 Number that's who.
Bouncy, oh such a good time. Bouncy, shoes all in the line. Bouncy, everybody somersault, summertime. Everybody sing along. Bouncy, oh such a good time. Bouncy, white socks slipping down. Bouncy, you let those out of no. Bouncy,
Every time I bounce, I feel I touch the sky. How Mr. Eagle feel?
I am the eagle.
Oh, nice. Robot man, can you help me find my way?
I fuck old shoeboxes.
I can't understand the things you say.
Holy shit, pipes.
no!
Who's the yellow anchor?
Hold him!
I've got it!
Hold him!
I've got it!
How dare you get involved in a crime?
Yeah!
Vince, bring forth the Jean-Claude Jaggerty 5000! And it's a level 5!
Level 5!
Ready!
Yeah! Yeah! Yellow wanker! Death to the honey monster! Bouncy, oh such a good time. Bouncy, the white sauce sipping down. Bouncy, and let those out of no.